Are you a new wrestler? Do you want to learn how to take your first shot? Let me show you. To take the shot, you have to set it up correctly. If not, you could miss or get sprawled on. One of the simplest setups is the V block. Set your hand in a V-shaped position with your thumb and pointer on the bottom of your opponent's tricep. From there, you can lower your level and take your penetration step. While lowering your level, step forward with your front leg and bring your knee between your opponent's legs. Bring your back leg to the side of the shot, and with either corresponding side of your head, pressure to the side of your main leg. From there, drive to the opposite side of the double. Good luck, wrestlers. This is how you shoot a double leg takedown.